Daddy?
Hey there. Hey there. Watch this. Can I have one? Can I have one?
Oh, he fed Ryan one yesterday too. The other day was really cute. He's just overwhelmed with all of them.
Isaiah, can you give Daddy one? Can you give Daddy one? Yeah, give one to Daddy. Isn't that cute?
Well, I got 3 of them on the floor. And another one. Come on, I'm hungry. I gotta have one.
Give one to Daddy. Give one to Daddy. Look. Oh, there you go. Yay! Yay! That was very nice to give one to Daddy.
Good sharing, Isaiah. Good sharing.
You gotta say kitty, kitty. Kitty, 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 kitty. No. Sure are a lot of crotch puffs down here.